Well, shit. Yeah, I'm fine. Alright guys, so I went into work this morning and I just hit a fucking deer. Alright guys, so it might be a little hard to tell, but we're actually up here at Parmentier Auto Body where we're dropping the truck off. It's a little bit lighter out now, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we got. So I did hit the deer this morning. I know the camera's still not going to show up 100% with information, but that's kind of what the truck's looking like right now. Bumper caved in, side fenders caved in, hoods caved in, missing the grill. It's probably somewhere out on Highway TT, but we'll get her taken care of. Just wanted to give you a little bit more information and we'll be good to go here shortly. All right guys, so we're here at Parmentier Auto Body. Quick thing on what happened. Friday on my way into work, I actually smoked a deer with the V8 Colorado, and it hit my old GoPro hit the dash hard enough to where it broke it. So I had to go pick up a new GoPro to make sure to try and get this footage for you guys before they get it fixed. So we're gonna get out and we're gonna look at the old Colorado and they're gonna fix it, and then I'm gonna show you the new truck. Oh, it's so sad. Oh, the hood won't open because it's messed up, but it actually caved everything in here. As you can see, missing some stuff. Damaged the fenders, hood, other fender as well. And headlights are destroyed. But as you can see right here, just to make sure, right here and right here, this is actually where the deer had come up on the hood, and the antlers come up and hit it with hit the windshield and put two perfect pinpoint holes in it. So I got lucky that it didn't come through the vehicle and hit me, and it sucks to see the truck this way, but this is why I have full coverage insurance. Stupid stuff like this that you can't account for. There's nothing that you can do to, you can't really say, oh, I knew this was gonna happen, so that's why I got full coverage. No, it's not the case. But we're gonna be showing off the new truck now, so here we go. I picked this one up to kind of get me around while I'm waiting, and I'll be able to use it as a tow rig for the little Colorado and this one, because I'm gonna build both of them now. So it's a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 with Z71 package, 4x4. Basically just a better winter vehicle and a better daily driving vehicle. So you guys kind of know what's going on. Don't worry, the little truck build is still happening. Just kind of got put on hold for like a couple weeks till we get this truck squared away, and it should be hopefully done by February. I don't know, but during the meantime of that, we're going to be building on the little Colorado. So now you guys kind of know what's going on. I'm going to try and not edit this video as much as possible so you can see basically what happened, but just want to keep you guys up to date. Sorry I didn't get to post a video this weekend. GoPro was broken and nowhere was open to go shopping to get one. So with that being said, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like, share, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notifications one too. I know I don't post all the time, and I'm trying to post at least once a week, but stupid stuff like this happens that you can't account for. So with that being said, I'm gonna head home and start editing this video with as little as possible. So have a good one guys.